here at Max Credit Score. My testimony was based off of them doing such a superb job with rebuilding my credit score. I went basically from a 643 to a 728 in just my first round. Everything that they promised me so far, I can't say that they haven't delivered. I had monthly meetings with them whenever I need to find out anything about my credit report. They have talked to me, whether it's through email or over the phone. So I'm just going to give a thumbs up to Max Credit Score because they delivered exactly what they said they were going to deliver to me.
Max Score Credit. Maximize your score, maximize your life.